So here we are for part 2. So this is what we got so far. I got the corners lined up, and I'm about to put the pickets up. Now I know we're not supposed to use treated lumber for the top of the doghouse, but I am gonna try to insulate the walls to keep the dog from chewing on it. So hopefully that keeps him away. So I didn't get to record a lot of the process of me putting up the pickets, but it was pretty straightforward. All we did was put up the 2x4s first, and then we put on the pickets. The toughest part for me was getting the corners to slope enough to get at the right angle for whenever it rains, for the rain to go down the roof there. And next we're going to be drawing a line over the 2x4 right above it, so we can even it out with the corners of the walls, so we can be able to put the roof right on top. And that's what we'll be working on next. Right now we are inside my dog's doghouse. He's in here with me. Watch out, son. Trying to get some work done.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I think there's something wrong with what you're doing there. Something doesn't look right. I don't think you should be putting that screw in there. Don't put the screw in. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Why don't you listen to me? Oh, you must be one of those stubborn people, huh? You just don't listen, huh? I don't think you should open it. Don't open it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I told you. I told you not to do it, didn't I? But there you go. I think you should try something different.
So finally got the hinge to work. Check it out. Okay. There it is. Is it awesome? This is what we got so far. House is almost done. Already put the shingles on here. Gotta put that piece that fell out. The shingles are on there. Laminate floors on there. I just need to cut the doorway here. My dog can actually get in. So I was testing my dog fits in here. Sammy, come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. You fit perfectly. Good boy. You like your new house? Huh? You like your new house? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So here's the completed doghouse. There's shingles, there's the roof. Maybe I'll end up adding like a window or a little vent hole or something. You can get some air from there. That was nice though. Be happy with it. So I added some insulation. I'm hoping that my dog doesn't chew all that up. I want to clean up some of the bottom there so you didn't see all that foam, but just to help with the, you know, when it gets cold. Everything seems to like it. What's up, Sammy boy? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Good boy. Good boy.